On the 5th of October 1967, Asaba, an Igbo town in today's Delta State, was turned into a graveyard. Thousands of unarmed boys and men were rounded up by the Nigerian military forces and executed in cold blood. It didn't stop in Asaba. The killings continued in nearby towns like Isheagu in Anyocha South local government area of Delta State, where even the king became a casualty. Families were shattered. Names were erased. Children were made orphans, and generations were silenced. The bullets did not just kill people. It killed pride. It killed dignity. And it killed the identity of a once proud Igbo people. They planted fear. They gave birth to what is now known as Igbo denial or identity crisis among the Igbo communities in Delta State. Even today, as the call for the creation of Anyoma State grows louder, many sons and daughters of Anyoma still whisper or outrightly deny their Igbo identity, afraid of what it might cost them.